ngoba lenkonzo yamantombazane
because the girls' service,
uNkulunkulu eyambula kubaba uBhengu
when God revealed it to Father Pengu,
uthi umama umkhize omdala
an
umprofetikazi
old Mrs. Mkizi, the prophetess,
uthi ubaba uBhengu wathi mama umkhize sister Mkhize
she said, Father Pengu said, Sister Mkize,
iyonakala lento
this thing is going astray.
asindisiwe amantombazane ethu
Our girls are saved.
ingathi sihamba nomama cha
It is as though we are moving with the mothers only.
manje laba bantu mabedlula beyemthatweni
But when these people move to marriage,
abakwazi ukuba bakwazi ukungena kakuhle khona
they cannot enter there properly.
kufuneka bafundiswe
They need to be taught.
alibonga igama lenkosi
Praise the name of the
ngakho ke
Lord.
siyambonga kakhulu kuNkulunkulu
That is why we thank the Lord so much
ukuba inceku kaNkulunkulu yambulekelwe ngilombono wamantombazana
that it was revealed to the servant of the Lord, this thing of girls.
uma siqala singena lenkonzo yamantombazane
When we first started the girls' service,
satshela ukuthi ingane yentombazane mayizalwa uthi umuntu ndifumene intombi
we were told that when a girl is born, a person would say, I got a girl.
kwayiko ke lokuqala omama bebeza nezintonjana zabe ezincane bazizise enkonzweni
That
yamantombazane
is why at first mothers brought their little daughters to church.
baqale lapho bayithanda inkonzo yomantombazane
It is then when they started to love the girls' service.
mase sezino 10 years
When they are 10 years old,
zazingamlindi no 10 bezisindiswa igcwaliswe ngamandla kamoya
they
ingcwele
did not even wait for 10 years, but they were filled, they were saved and filled by the power of the
ngoba
Holy
lento
Spirit.
yayikubo ngaphakathi bekhule ngayo
Because this was inside them, they grew up with this.
alibonga igama lenkosi
Praise the name of the Lord.